Hey there, you're about to watch a quick clip from Marketing O'Clock, your friendly neighborhood digital marketing news podcast with new episodes every Friday. Don't forget to like and subscribe to us here on YouTube or look for Marketing O'Clock wherever you listen to your podcast.
16th employee Susan Wojcicki is leaving the company. She is most famously, I think, known for being the person that rented out her garage to Sergey and Larry, who went on to found Google in said garage. But Susan was also a huge influence on Google and Alphabet through the years. Susan helped to spearhead Google Doodles, co-developed Google Images, was the first project manager of AdSense, oversaw all analytics and ad products, including AdWords, AdSense, DoubleClick, and Google Analytics. She recommended the $1.65 billion purchase of YouTube and the $3.1 billion purchase of DoubleClick. And she was the CEO of YouTube since February 2014. So a very nice run. Arguably, her best moment was at YouTube during the February 10th, 2022, 1 minute and 1 second short called 5 Innovations Coming to YouTube in 2022, #short, starring Neal Mohan, where he ran through the 7 new updates coming to YouTube, many of which still have not come here in 2023, including NFTs. Susan says, "The time is right for me. I feel able to do this because we have an incredible leadership team at place in YouTube. When I joined YouTube 9 years ago, one of my first priorities was bringing in an incredible leadership team. Neal Mohan was one of those leaders, and he'll be the SVP and new head of YouTube." So we have her replacement, Neal. She goes on to talk about Neal, saying he became YouTube's chief product officer in 2015. Since then, he has set up a top-notch product and UX team, played pivotal roles in the launch of some of our biggest products, including YouTube TV, YouTube Music, and Premium, and Shorts, and has led our trust and safety team. And that's all gone swimmingly. So what's next for Susan, you might be asking?
I was.
This is where she starts to bullshit a little bit. She says, "As for me, in the short term, I plan to support Neal and help with the transition, which will include continuing to work with some YouTube teams, coaching team members, and meeting with creators. In the longer term, I've agreed with Sundar to take on an advisory role across Google and Alphabet. This will allow me to call on my different experiences, yada, yada, yada. It is an incredibly important time for Google. It reminds me of the early days. Incredible product and technology innovation, huge opportunities, and a healthy disregard for the impossible." That's the first time somebody's ever said that about Google in the past 4 years. And it's not.
She kind of has some loyalty. She's got it.
There's literally no innovation. You're stealing TikTok and you're stealing Reels. You're not innovating in the least bit.
I think there's a lot of healthy disregard.
Oh, yeah.
Perhaps not for the impossible, just for humans.
Yeah, for what the users want. I agree. We wish you the best, Susan, and we really look forward to how Neal is going to break this platform.
Thanks again for watching Marketing O'Clock. We'd love you forever. If you'd like this video, subscribe to our channel and share it with a friend. And don't forget, you can also catch our Famous Friday news show on your favorite podcast player every week.